In this video, let me show you how to fix Hong Leong Bank login problem. So the first thing that you can do in this situation is try to see if you have forgot the password of your account. If you have, you will have the option called forgot password, so that you'll be able to create a new password of your account. If you cannot do this thing within the mobile application, you can just open up a web browser of your choice, head over to the web portal of Hong Leong Bank, and then you'll be able to see the option called forgot password there as well. So try to do this first of all. If this is not the case for you, the second thing that you can do is try to update the application. So just head over to the Play Store or the App Store depending upon your device, and if there are new updates available, make sure you tap on the update button. If none of these solutions are working out for you, then the last thing that you can do in this situation is just contact to the hotline support. So you can just open up a web browser of your choice and then simply search for customer support of Hong Leong, where you'd be able to find a number so that you can simply call them. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video did help you out, be sure to let me know. I'm gonna see you in the next one.